Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Janice channel. Today's pronunciation guide is for a name that looks simple but trips a lot of people up, Charlize Theron. Most people say Charlize Theron or even Charlize Theron, but here's how it's actually pronounced. According to Charlize herself, the correct pronunciation is Charlize Theron, almost like Theron or throne with a soft N. And yes, that's Charlize with a soft SH sound, not Charlize. She's a South African actress, and her name has Afrikaans roots, which is why the pronunciation might not match what you expect from the spelling. So let's say it together. Charlize Theron. Charlize Theron. Charlize Theron. Charlize Theron. Charlize Theron. Pretty cool, right? Now you can say it like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips right here on the Janice channel. See you next time.